I'm going to go over Quizziz and show you how to create online quizzes. Once you create your profile, you can begin by clicking on the Create a New Quiz button. Once here, name your quiz, select the relevant classes, and then choose the Next button. From this screen, click the Create a New Question button to begin creating your quiz. This is where you are going to type out your questions and answers. You can choose a single answer or multiple answers from the top right corner, or you can select a time limit from the bottom left-hand corner, whatever your preference may be. Once you write out your questions and answers, click on the Save button on the bottom right-hand corner. To repeat the step and add more questions, click the Create a New Question button. Once done, click on the Finish Quiz button in the top right-hand corner. From the Preview Quiz screen, you can select the language and grade level and then press Save. And now you have published your first quiz.